Hello everyone, here we have to solve the given equation. The equation is x divided by x minus 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x is equals to 2 whole 1 by 2. So first write the given equation. Given x divided by x minus 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x is equals to 2 to the 4 plus 1, that's equals to 5 by 2. Next, add the fraction by taking LCM of x minus 1 and x. So what is the LCM x minus 1 and x? X into x minus 1. Then here becomes x square plus x minus 1 whole square equals to 5 by 2. The next step is x square plus here x1 x minus 1 whole square. So x square minus 2x plus 1 divided by here it is x square minus x is equals to 5 by 2. Okay, so the next step is here we can see that x square plus x square is equals to 2x square. So 2x square minus 2x plus 1 divided by x square minus x is equals to 5 by 2. Okay, so next do the cross multiplication. So we can write this 2 into 2x square minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 5 into x square minus x. Now expand this 2 into 2x square, that means 4x square, 2 into 2x, that means minus 4x, 2 into plus 1, that equals to plus 2 is equals to 5x square minus 5x. Okay, next step is 4x square minus 4x plus 2 minus 5x square plus 5x is equals to 0. Okay, so the next step is like taking the like term minus 4x square minus 5x square, that's become minus x square minus 4x plus 5x, that's become plus x, and here it is plus 2 is equals to 0. Taking the minus common, so that is x square minus x minus 2 equals to 0. So we can see that it is a form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, which is the quadratic equation. So here we solve the quadratic equation with the help of middle term break. Here the middle term is 1. Here 1 into x, that is x, and the product is 2. So then expand 2 is 2 and 1. So 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So here we can write this x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 is equals to 0. The next step is take the common x minus 2, x into x minus 2 plus take the 1 common, that x minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, so the next step is x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now, now we can apply the zero product rule. What is the zero product rule? That zero product rule is a into b is equals to 0, then either a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. So here we can write this either x minus 2 is equals to 0, that gives you the value x is equals to 2, or x plus 1 is equals to 0, that gives you x is equals to minus 1. Okay, so from there we can write x is equals to minus 1 or 2. Hence, the roots of the given equation are minus 1, 2. Follow for more.